Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to Consap and welcome to this pre-market analysis. So let's go ahead and analyze some pivotal data points in the market and let's get ourselves prepared for the upcoming trading session. So let's start with India VIX today. So India VIX spiking up, right? So it made a low of 12.88 and it has spiked up from there, indicating the fear in the market which has gone up to an extent. So India VIX is rising up and the market is falling. A typical relation what we see in the market is getting replicated out here. So what does this indicate? This indicates that the fear in the market, it is going up slowly and steadily. So let's check where SGX Nifty is right now placed. So SGX Nifty is placed at 18,080. So a gap down opening is something we might see. So 18,080 is somewhere we might expect the market to open. Let's see historical build up. So see, it is in Nifty, a lot of shorts getting accumulated in Nifty, wherein from this day, which was since 7th of December, Nifty didn't really witness significant long build up. Whatever up moves were happening in Nifty, these up moves were led by short coverings instead of fresh long. So let me just show you the absolute OI. Just see this long built up which happened on 14th of December, the quantum was really small, indicating that the participants, when they are going long, they are not aggressive. But just check the quantum of short built up. It is not huge, but then too it is decently significant. So on Nifty front, bears are still in control, wherein not a lot of longs are getting accumulated. All the up moves in Nifty, they are led due to due to short coverings. So now checking the options OI of Nifty. So a gap down opening is what we are expecting, right? So 18,000 is the level where Nifty might 18,050, 18,080 is where the SGX indicated an opening, but 18,000 is the level where the heaviest put writers are. So Nifty going on a dip, 18,000 is the level which is a very vital level for the index, because if this level is getting broken, no support in the market has left. There is no support in the market on the lower side. So in Nifty, market will open roughly around 18,080 ke aspas. If it takes a dip, 18,000 is the level where we might anticipate support. Now the interesting fact about the market is such that 18,200 strike price call option witnessed significant call writing yesterday. So obviously when the market will open lower, the call writers will also create a thrust on 18,200. So in Nifty front, the conclusion is that Nifty is in control of bears. We might expect a gap down opening in the market, and also 18,000 will act like our first level of support where you should act. And on the upside, 18,200 will act like our level where we might expect markets to take a resistance from that level. So 18,200 ke aspas we might anticipate resistance, and 18,000 ke aspas we might anticipate support. So now checking the same data for Bank Nifty, but Bank Nifty will look completely different as compared to Nifty. Just check this thing out. Doesn't matter, there were dips happening in Bank Nifty, but those dips were owed to long unwindings. So in Bank Nifty, more, the longs are still intact, the trend is still intact, but the thing is, due to such a big fall happening in market, and also other sentimental indicators such as India VIX and IBs which are spiking up, which give us a kind of sentiments which are not really positive, we will use the options open interest data to go ahead and gauge the sentiments in Bank Nifty. So let's say Bank Nifty. So if we see Bank Nifty, so this is where the heaviest put is. So this is where the heaviest put is in Bank Nifty, which is at the strike price of 42,000. Okay. And 42,500 is the level where we might expect first level of resistance in Bank Nifty, and the second level of resistance in Bank Nifty stands at 43,000, which is a bit far away. So this is the outlook on Bank Nifty front. Coming to our stocks of the day, so just check this thing out. So it is REC Limited. Despite the market collapsing yesterday, the stock has continuously been showing a strength, seeing a lot of long build-ups with dips to long unwinding. Absolute OI, check the quantum of OI as well. It also looks very lucrative. Just check the REC Limited's options OI data. Well, See, there is no huge call writing happening immediately. Immediately, the highest call stands at 115 and the highest put stands at 110. So if there is a dip around 110, when it comes around the highest put, even that dip can be capitalized, or on the upside from the current level, we might see REC Limited moving up to the level of 150. So this is on the REC Limited front. Our second stock would be on the negative side, which is Birla Soft. Okay, B Soft. Just check this out. Short, pure short covering. Not a lot to explain out here. So if you just see Birla Soft's options OI data. So the interesting fact about Birla Soft is, see, on the ATM itself, which is 300 ka strike price, on the ATM itself, the put writers are unwinding and the call writers are creating a pressure. So that indicates that call writers are confident that there might be a coming, a further down move coming in Birla Soft. So this is our second pick of the day. So now if you just check out the chart, so this is of Nifty. So in Nifty, see, it is typically which has broken its first support, right, on the technical chart as well. So you see, it is all open apart to, on the downside. No immediate support is getting formed in Nifty. Let's see, check out our REC Limited. So REC Limited, see, it looks trending on the upward side. Only thing the stock wants is to give a big breakout, right? A good breakout is something what we are expecting. So the moment that happens, we might see a good movement happening in REC Limited. Then our second pick was Bsoft. Okay, so just check this thing out again. So a typically falling market or falling stock it is, and this level 292 ka level break hone pe we might see a down move happening in Birla Soft. Now coming to the ban list. So what are the stocks in ban? So just Ibul Housing Finance, which is in ban, BHIL and PNB, which might enter ban, right? They are not in ban, but only Ibul Housing Finance is in ban list. So to summarize on Nifty front, the bears are still intact, right? The bears are in control. Net is what we achieved, and we saw that the heaviest put stands at 18,000. So that is where we might expect market to take a support. Coming to Bank Nifty, it looked long and unwinding, but Nifty may the India VIX is going up, right? Even the Bank Nifty's IVs might have been also shooting up. So on Bank Nifty, either we can remain on the sidelines or wait for Bank Nifty to take a support at the heaviest put, right, or support on the technical chart. Over there we can participate. Basically in Bank Nifty, we will wait for a dip to happen in the market. Two scripts for the day were REC Limited, right, which was typically in a long unwinding cycle. Even in the falling market, that stock didn't fall a lot yesterday. It showed a good move instead. So that is the pick of the day. Second pick was Bsoft on the downside, wherein it is purely in short covering cycle. On the lower side, 292 level getting broken, we might see a further down move happening in Bsoft. Yes, folks, that was it from my side, and thank you so much for joining me in this, and Merry Christmas to all of you, and enjoy your New Year's coming ahead. Thank you.